Port Elizabeth, often known by its initials PE and officially renamed Jiquiébaha on the 23rd of February 2021, is a major seaport city and the most populous city in the Eastern Cape province of South Africa. It is nicknamed the Friendly City or the Windy City and is the seat of the Nelson Mandela Bay Metropolitan Municipality, South Africa's second largest metropolitan district by area. It is the most populous city of the Eastern Cape, the sixth most populous city in South Africa and the cultural, economic and financial center of the Eastern Cape. The city is among the top 5 cities in the world for pleasant weather, according to a 2014 scientific climate study of 600 global cities. The city is known for many blue flag beaches along the city's urban coastline, its popularity as an international and local holiday destination, and its rich and diverse cultural heritage. It is a tourism gateway city for Eastern Cape's adventure, outdoor and African Big Five game, malaria-free safari tourism, all in close proximity. Located on the western portion of Algoa Bay along the southeastern coast of South Africa, the city lies 770 kilometers east of Cape Town. It is east of the Garden Route and faces the Indian Ocean. It covers 251 square kilometers of the Nelson Mandela Bay metropolitan area, South Africa's sixth largest metropolitan municipality. The second oldest city in South Africa. It was founded in 1820 by the government of the Cape Colony as Port Elizabeth, when 4,000 British colonists settled Algoa Bay to strengthen the border region between the Cape Colony and the Xhosa. The city's warm oceanic climate ranks among the top 10 cities in the world for pleasant, all-year-round weather, according to a Syracuse University climatology study. In 2019, the Eastern Cape Geographical Names Committee recommended that Port Elizabeth be renamed Jiquiébaha, which is the Xhosa name for the Barkans River that flows through the city. Originally from Southern Ko language, perhaps the word Gaibeksa. The city's name change was officially gazetted on the 23rd of February 2021. In 1820, the rising seaport of Algoa Bay was named Port Elizabeth, in memory of Elizabeth Frances Nee Markham, the late wife of Ruthven Shaw Donkin, acting governor of the Cape Colony. Colonists also called the settlement the Bay. The settlement is also known as Ibhai or Ibhai, a Xhosa adaptation of the Afrikaans name, Dai Baai, meaning the bay, by Xhosa speakers. In 2019, the Eastern Cape Geographical Names Committee announced the city of Port Elizabeth would likely have its name changed to Jiquiébaha, a Xhosa word used to refer to the Barkans River that flows through the city. On the 23rd of February 2021, the city was officially renamed to Jiquiébaha. Cave sites in the area such as Albany, Wilton and Howie Sunspot have given their names to various archaeological cultures. The Howie Sunspot has been of particular interest to interpretations about the origins of fully modern human behavior, dating to 65,000 to 62,000 years ago. It has yielded extremely old evidence for bow and arrow hunting and shell bead jewelry. Earlier and Middle Stone Age lithic material has been found in the Sundays River Valley, while at the important site of Amanzi Springs, 40 kilometers north of the Port Elizabeth near Addo, earlier Stone Age artifacts are found in situ with well-preserved plant and faunal remains within spring sediments. Most recently, Binneman and Webley reported 13 shell middens and stone tool scatters about 500 meters east of the Koiga River mouth in the archaeological assessment carried out for the development of maritime infrastructure for the port of Angikura. Importantly, some of this archaeological material was recorded in secondary context in the gravels from older river terraces along the banks of the Koiga River. Hunters and gatherers ancestral to the San first settled the area around what is now called Algoa Bay at least 10,000 years ago. Around 2,000 years ago, they were gradually assimilated by agriculturalist populations ancestral to the Xhosa people. The first Europeans to visit the area sailed with the Portuguese explorers Bartholomew Dias, who landed on St. Croix Island in Algoa Bay in 1488, and Vasco da Gama, who noted the nearby Bird Island in 1497. For centuries, The area appeared on European navigation charts marked simply as a landing place with fresh water. The Portuguese crown had as one of its main goals in the Indian Ocean taking over the lucrative trade of Arab and Afro-Arabian merchants who plied routes between the East African coast and India. As they took over that trade in Africa, the Portuguese strengthened trading with Goa, their main trading point in India. The name Algoa means to Goa, just as the port further north in present-day Mozambique. Delagoa means, from Goa in Portuguese. The area became part of the Cape Colony. This area had a turbulent history between the settlement by the Dutch East India Company in 1652 and the formation of the União